why Sophia's driving, and why we're out in the middle of the Nevada desert. We are moving. Yep, you heard it. We are on a road trip to our new house. We moved off Hawaii, came back to the mainland, and we are heading up to, drum roll, Jackson, Wyoming. Woo, woo, woo. Yep, I got a new job. Gonna be working with a company up there and building custom houses. I had a great time in Hawaii working for the Special Projects Department of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and it was a really special experience there. We're actually only originally supposed to be there till last December of 2020. It's now June of 2021, and we're off to Jackson. We're actually going to go live in Alpine, Wyoming, which is a smaller town about 40 minutes south of Jackson. So I'll have a short commute up to work and back. We're super excited to be moving back to the mountains. We lived in Rexburg for about 3 years and loved it. And, we're a little hesitant, going back to the cold here in the winter. But we feel good because right now it's middle of summer, 75 degrees, nice weather. We're excited to go back, hike around. We brought some kayaks with us, go fishing. I enjoy hunting, so we'll be back in that area. And Hawaii was great. We had lots of good experiences. We met lots of friends. It's something that we would, if we had the chance to do it again, we'd turn back time, we'd definitely do it again. We loved it. It was, I guess whoever's watching this, and if you're thought about going to live in Hawaii, go do it. You won't regret it. It's just a special place to go, get out of your bubble, learn about different cultures, learn a different environment, go relax, go play, and just have a good time. It's far out in the middle of the ocean, so it was pretty far away from our family, which we like to be close to. And like we kind of said, it's far away from the mountains. Although the beaches are beautiful and the water's clear, and we love snorkeling and hanging out on the beach and love the warm weather, it was great for the time, and now we're kind of ready to move on, as crazy as it sounds.
I know.
So we're just grateful for our time there, and we know here in Jackson we're excited. We're actually in the middle of Nevada right now, but we just bought a new truck, and
Yeah, we gotta do a video on that too.
yeah, we're gonna be getting a puppy soon, and lots of big things are coming. So we're just excited for the new adventures. This is I still haven't posted a lot of some of our last activities and events in Hawaii, and we're just in California for the last week with my family, so hopefully I'll be able to upload some videos of us catching eels in California and at the beach there, and doing the hukilau in Hawaii. Just lots of good stuff.
Big things coming.
Big things are coming. It's a Jordan Keck Outdoors channel. So we just wanted to drop this video and say thank you all for watching. And you know, I like making videos. Sophia likes making videos. It's something we enjoy, capturing these memories and sharing them with you guys. You know, if you want to, whoever watches them, really.
We will.
Yeah, we will for sure in the future. So we love you all, and we will catch you on the next video, which will be, I don't know, it's gonna be a surprise because there's a lot of wild things going on and just a lot of fun activities going into the summer. Hope everyone's having a good summer. Stay out of the heat. It's a toasty one. Is there anything else you wanted to add, Soph?
No, I was just thinking, looking at all these bugs on the road. We're in Nevada. This works over here, but
Back in bug country.
yay.
We'll catch you guys soon. As always, stay peachy.